Hi, I'm Tara Holwegner, a learning subject matter expert at the Lifecycle Institute, the learning, leadership, and change management practice at Lifecycle Engineering. In this video, we're going to discuss two tools used in the assimilate phase of our 3A learning process: the 4-step course design and a course summary template. Let's talk about the 4-step design process and what we're trying to accomplish. After the align phase, you know the reason for the course and the target audience. It's now time to schedule a brainstorming meeting where you can outline the 4 core elements of a course. Learning objectives. What do you want the learners to know how to do after the class? Keep the learning objectives simple so you can easily determine what kind of content and activities you'll need to reach them. Content chunking. This is the main subjects or topics that are need to know to achieve the learning objectives. Activities. How do we want the learners to interact with or use the information we're giving them in class? Sequence. We typically sequence at the same time as we discuss content and activities. Let's look at an example where the 4-step design process can help you keep your course development project on track.
We scheduled a meeting. The SME walks into the room, but I can't see her face because it's covered with a pile of books. She sets the books down and lets me know that everything I need to build a course is in one of the books, especially the largest volume. I was taken aback, and that was the only content she was prepared to share. Every question I asked was answered with, "Oh, that's in chapter 3 or chapter 7, I'm sure." How will I ever get this class done in a timely fashion with guidance like that?
My manager informed me that I'm the SME for a course project designed for new employees. I'm perfect for the job because this profession is much more than what the job description says it is. I received a meeting request from the learning designer, but wasn't sure what I was supposed to bring or what we were going to talk about. In fact, there's a lot about this project that I'm not sure of. You see, I've never designed a course with someone before. I thought I would bring a bunch of books that were essential to our profession. The learning designer could find everything she needs in the books, and if she needs more information, I can provide her that.
Let's consider how the 4-step design process can help this team. An advantage of the 4-step design process is that in 1 or 2 meetings, you have defined the critical components for the course, and both you and the SME have buy-in on contents and activities that are essential to learning. The information from this 4-step design process meetings can be captured in a form that we call the course summary template. This template will become the living map for your course development project. There are several benefits to using the course summary template. First, both team members have clarity about the direction of the content and activities in the course. Second, it's easy to modify. Third, because both the learning content and the learning activities have been defined, even in times of limited subject matter expert support, the learning designer can move forward and prioritize as needed. The 4-step design process and the course summary template are used early in the assimilation phase to ensure that you're incorporating learning best practices into your course development project. To learn more about the Lifecycle Institute's 3A learning process and tools, please send us an email to education@lce.com.